I love playing golf. I was not so active at the beginning, but last 10 years I was very active. The fact I had the pain in my knee was problematic because we played a lot with my son a bit, my father, my brother is a very good golfer. But I couldn't enjoy it perfectly because when I was walking, it was hurting, especially on the way down or the sideways. And now I discover a new golf. Since my surgery, it's fantastic. I get there without any apprehension. I enjoy it, just concentrate on the ball, not on my knee. And tonight I will play. It's just looking forward. I'm back to normal life because I feel very stable, I have a good balance, and I don't think even up to my knee. That's perfect. Also, when the specialist explained me how the process is with 3D printed guides, that allow him to be very precise, and it was also designed for my anatomy. I was very impressed and very confident again.